This is the 12 pack of Sunkist pineapple singles to go. You get 12 boxes with 6 each inside of them. And I'm a big fan of these little sticks because I drink a lot of water every day and I like to flavor my water up with some kind of flavoring. And these have only 5 calories in them, no sugar, and 2 grams of carbs. You can see the ingredients on here if that's something that you're concerned about. The flavor on here is pretty good. I like the pineapple taste. As far as these sticks go, they're perfect for a smaller bottle of water. I mean, if you want a super strong flavor, if you want a light flavor, you can throw it in a 1 liter bottle like I've done myself. I like a strong flavor. So you just rip the top off and throw it in there. With a 1 liter bottle, like I'm using now, you may want to use 1.5 of them. That's what I do. But for smaller bottles, 1 package is probably more than enough. It all depends on what kind of taste you like. Just put it in there, shake it up, and you're good to go. I just wanted to show you the color. I got a clear bottle here so you can see the color. It turns a nice yellowy, sun-kissed pineapple-y color. How about that? But good stuff, tastes great. Sun-kissed pineapple, love it.